How to install and set up the Western Union mobile app. Let's get started. Launch your Play Store or App Store. The process is similar for Android and iOS device. After you launch it, at the top you're gonna see the search box. Over there, type in the app name Western Union. With that, app will appear. After app appears, at the right corner of it, you're gonna see the option of install or get. Or also you might find this kind of arrow. You just have to click on it. With that, download process will start. Make sure you have stable internet connection so that the download process will be faster. Once completion of its download process, you can provide the credentials and log into your account. Western Union is a reliable money transfer app with a global network of agents that allows you to send money to over 200 countries and territories worldwide. Whether it's sending birthday money to Bangkok or tuition fees to Turin, Western Union is here to make your money transfers as simple and reliable as possible. After you download it, launch it. Now you can select the language. Then click on Done. Now click on the option of Register or Login. Click on OK. If you already have an account, provide the credentials, email or username, and the password. After you provide your credentials, click on Login, and just like that, you will be logged into your account. But in the case you don't have an account, click on the option of Join Now. Now go ahead and provide your credentials, email address, and generate password, and click on Continue. With that, your account will be created. So this way you can easily install and set up the Western Union mobile app. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.